Hi everyone, welcome to the next episode of VLOGMAS. If you're new to my channel, hi, please subscribe, I would love to have you here. So, something arrived by DHL today and it came in this lovely black box, and I believe it is from the Dame, as me and Smiley Shanna call her, Pat McGrath. I am really excited. I've never had anything at all by Pat McGrath in my makeup collection, so shall we see what's in the box? I'm so excited, like I cannot tell you. So, if there's any noise, please forgive me, but I am opening a box, so I'm going to try opening a box. How are we doing as we edge closer towards Christmas and other happy holidays? It's snowing here in Edinburgh, which is lovely. It's not that heavy. Ooh. So we have an invoice, and we have that. We have nice black tissue paper. Again, I could use this to wrap my wig. If you're new to the channel, I'm a Wigmaker designer. It's got lovely black packaging. So excited to open this. I won't be doing swatches today, but if you want to see swatches of what I'm about to show you, let me know in the comments. The colours! The colours! Oh. Actually, I'll do a bit of a reveal for you. Oh, here we go. I'll try. Come on. Right, are you ready? That's nice. So here's the box. Got nice embossed things on it in gold. So it's Pat McGrath Labs, Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana. And there's the back of it. I'm definitely keeping this box, definitely. I have been getting used to throwing out the packages of some of my palettes, but for this one I won't be. So here we go, just get out the box. This is so nice, it's so luxurious, it's lovely. Place this carefully over there. Pat McGrath Labs Artistry Palette. Okay, we're about to open it, Oh. And it's got little ribbons that keep it open. I love the details of that. Almost don't want to touch it because it's so perfect. Okay, so what shades are... I got this on sale because they were having a 35% off. I was going to get this when it initially released, but my friend told me to wait for a sale. I did, and I'm glad I did. Sorry, the dog was making a noise. So what shades? That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. They're pretty much all calling out to me. What are their names? Nightfall, Cosmic Champagne, Nocturnal Navy, Lunar Lavender, Auburn Allure, Golden Angelica, Bronze Infatuation, Desert Divinity, Eternal Amour, Fabulosity, Heavenly Bronze, Femme Fatale, Altered State, Guilty Opulence, Guilty spelled G-I-L-T-Y, that's interesting, Violet Vixen, Aquarian Dream, Venusian Peony. She wrote that one for me. and Starlit Copper. I'll swatch just one of them, but which one? I'm gonna have to swatch a shiny one, methinks, because which one to swatch though? Shall we go for this blue one? Where is it? This shiny blue one. Oh, that's pretty. If you like this kind of content and you're new, do subscribe. But that is nice. Shiny. Wow. Can't believe I have this. So now that I have Pat McGrath eyeshadow and Refer brushes, does that mean I get the bougie status? Let me know. Again, as I said in other videos, I buy things because of the way they look and perform, not for names. But yeah, just look the detailing on this. Wait, let's get one for the thumbnails. What am I like? Ooh. Yeah, the details, like little cherubs and things. And it's got love hearts on it. I mean, bright pink and gold. Whoever thought of this design, I take my hat and wig off to you. It's lovely. It's fabulous. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short episode of Vlogmas. I'm going to go off and continue making a wig that I'm working on because it needs to be done quick. And thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.